here we are, living on the heart in Dakar, Senegal.
So this is my home right now, right here on the beach in Dakar, Senegal. Very scenic, beautiful. The aroma is interesting, especially at low tide. But I'm pretty well hooked up here. Gonna get electricity in a little while, even gonna get water. Got showers and bathroom just at the yacht club just there. And like I said, I've got some neighbors and colors. This is great, man. I love it. I really love it. Not for everybody. No. I don't think some sailing cruisers would dig it here, which is why I dig it. The other thing I have here is shore power, man. That is amazing. So I can really charge up the batteries, use the computer, charge up everything. Shore power, check it out. So far what we've seen that's been under the water all this time is not bad. The anti-fouling held up pretty well, so don't have much to do there. I'm gonna have the guys help me do this, you know? It's like, you pay him, I think like 12 bucks a day or something like that. You know, and he need to work, so I'm not gonna play around and do some of this stuff, this work that they're better at anyways. Plus I got videos to put out. There's one sticky thing, and I had a feeling there was something wrong, not right, in my prop shaft. And I thought it was my cutlass bearing. Indeed, it was my cutlass bearing. Arona pointed out that my propeller shaft is warped. It's slightly bent. So it goes like this when it should go. So that's been the reason why my cutlass bearings have been wearing out fast. How long has this prop shaft been, you know, twisted like that? It's not much, but it's just enough. So he's gonna see if it can be straightened out or make a new one. So he's gonna look into his buddies and see if he can find 150 to 2 meter piece of stainless steel, 30 millimeters wide circumference. And he said he can machine the threads for the propeller, machine all the other stuff that needs to be done, and it'll be brand new. And it wouldn't be that costly, I don't think. So it's amazing here in Africa. They just make things, you know. Just don't go out and order it, buy it off of Amazon or go to some store or whatever. And here they just make it. I may have to come back to do more stuff. Now I'm gonna put away all this stuff, get an early night in, do some video, and nice. Eagles here even. Wow, beautiful. Wildlife. What else could you want?
Bear with me here. I'm trying a camera Peter gave me. It's a knockoff GoPro, and you get what you pay for.
Good morning, everybody. It's about 7 o'clock. Here I am on the beach. I have all the comforts of home here, except one thing. The privacy of a private toilet. But that's cool. I can go to the yacht club there, go use the bathrooms over there. You know, it's the morning call. And night was good here, it was calm, quiet, except for the mosquitoes. So I put up all the screens. Today I'm gonna have to get some mosquito repellent and some candles or something. They're a little bit voracious here, these little dudes.
I also needed some work done on my roof dodger. That's what's under my arm. It was coming undone at the seams, and there's a sailmaker here who can do the work. Look, there's a bunch of people here camping out here for a few days. Land cruisers, touring around Africa. I hope they're not crowding up the facilities right now. Got a couple of choices. Squat or sit. I'll sit. This is a sailmaker's workshop. And here is Diego, the man in question.
That's Diego. He va s'occuper de mon roof dodger. He's going to take care of my roof dodger. This is the crew here.
As well as the rest of the crew that can help fix many other things. But it's lunchtime.
So it's been a pretty good day so far. Arona's quite the dude. We got the propeller shaft out. He's gonna go check it out with a lathe, see where it's twisted and bent. Hopefully he can fix it or make a new one. Guys are doing great with the cleaning up the hull, and then we should start doing some interfiling tomorrow, I suppose. Man, it's going fast. This is just outside the CVD Yacht Club. It's a cool spot. I'm going to the bank right now to get some money, exchange some money. And the traffic here is insane. I'm trying to get to a store to get some groceries. Wow, man. Jeez, I just walked like about an hour to get to this French supermarket. And all this traffic and busyness is crazy. Let's see what they have inside. Better make it worth my walk to get here. I'm definitely taking a taxi back, but it's gonna be hell in this traffic.
Look at that, a regular grocery store. A treat for us out here.
Got myself a special treat for tonight. There's some things you can't get in Cape Verde and Mindelo. That is tortilla chips and avocados and cheese to make nachos and guacamole. So tonight's a special treat here because I can make those things. Yum, baby!
Guys are busy working, and hey, we got a visitor. Adele came by to say goodbye or see you later.
Ah, c'est un film. J'étais figée comme ça. Photo, photo,
She got to
photo.
Casamance in the south of Senegal.
Bon, allez. Maguidiem, Casamance.
But now she's asking Arona how to get to the train station and how to say it in Wolof.
Fan la ñuy jëlee train.
Ouais,
She's learning some Wolof and as well Mandingo.
wow, wow.
And you know how she learned English? Watching movies and series with subtitles. One last question that we have to ask our Adele here, our boat hitchhiker. Why did you come to Senegal? What's so special about Senegal?
For me, it's the second time. I was there last year. I was supposed to stay 2 months and I ended up staying 8 months. I just fell in love with this country and I just naturally felt that I had to come back. So here I am for the second time. Really happy to be here.
So we're taking a day off to walk around Dakar. It's nice to be in a big city and it's nice this time around. There's no dust.
Dakar is crazy. People are selling all sorts of stuff, most likely all knockoff brands.
All right, so you got 6. Okay, now how much do you want for this?
Take a picture for me. 20.
What's your best price?
No, that's 20. This in the shop is better.
You want 20 for that? I will give you 15 right now.
It's
or not,
okay,
or not.
it's okay.
Okay, good. There you go. Look, all these people, because nobody here can give me the box.
I know.
Fuck that shit.
Hey, it's a blast.
C'est pour les hommes, ça.
And Lily had a Cape Verdean friend here that we said hello to. A small world. And she wanted hair extensions. She was thrilled because they're much cheaper than Cabo Verde. Then he was back to home sweet home.
So I have these shirts that my dad Mike gave me a long time ago. I thought I could try them, use them. But let me show you something. They're just a tad too big. Huge! This one is definitely for my friend Arona. I'm glad I found somebody to give these shirts to. Wish I could give more to Arona because he's truly a wonderful person. The job that he is doing on my propeller shaft and everything here, he's just, guy's a gem, man. Arona is an angel.
Hey, it was great to have you aboard on this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, leave a like and subscribe. You'll help us navigate better. We promised you a good time every Wednesday, man. So welcome aboard.